Have you ever noticed how time seems to stretch when you're bored and race by during moments of joy? Welcome to Awareness Prism, where we explore the fascinating dimensions of consciousness. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something we all experience, yet rarely question our perception of time as a linear progression. What if I told you that the orderly flow of time, past, present, future, might be one of the mind's most convincing illusions? Our brains are natural storytellers. We instinctively organize events into before and after, creating a coherent narrative that feels objective and universal. This linear time perception helps us navigate daily life, make plans, and understand cause and effect. But physics tells a different story. Since Einstein's relativity theories, we've known that time isn't absolute. It stretches and compresses depending on gravity and velocity. Consider how different cultures conceptualize time. Some indigenous communities view time as cyclical rather than linear. The Hopi language contains no tenses for past, present, and future, suggesting a fundamentally different relationship with temporality. And what about your own experiences? During meditation, deep flow states, or even trauma, doesn't time seem to warp dramatically? Recent neuroscience research suggests our brains actually process information in chunks, not continuous streams. What we perceive as now is actually a constructed experience, your brain collecting information across milliseconds and presenting it as a single moment. In a very real sense, we're always living slightly in the past, in a moment our mind has already assembled and interpreted. This isn't just philosophical musing. Recognizing time's subjective nature can transform your daily experience. When you catch yourself anxiously rushing or dwelling on past events, remember, linear time is largely a construct of consciousness. By becoming aware of this, we can develop a more flexible relationship with temporality itself. The present moment expands when we pay attention to it. I'm curious. How do you experience time? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more explorations of consciousness, and until next time, stay present, stay aware.